So now we'll see a question. So regarding this TSA. So what is TSA? It is total surface area, and LSA means lateral surface area. So LSA is lateral surface area. So LSA means it is lateral surface area. TSA is total surface area, where all the sides are included, including the top and the bottom. So total surface area. Say the question is, for a cube, total surface area is given as 600 square centimeter. So total surface area is 600 centimeter square. So what is the diagonal? So here 6a square is 600. What is the diagonal of the cube? So total surface area of a cube is given as 600 centimeter square. So what is diagonal of the cube? So what is total surface area for a cube? It is 6a square. So equating 6a square to 600, we can find side of the cube. After getting the side, we can find the diagonal. So in the concepts of diagonals, I have told you what is diagonal of a cube. So what is diagonal of a cube? It is root 3 times a units. So now we'll see what is side of the cube, and then multiplying it with root 3 we get the diagonal. So here the data given is 6a square is 600. So a square is 100. Now what will be value of a? So square root. Taking square root on either side, it is 10 centimeters. So 6a square is 600 given. So we have got side of the cube as 10 centimeters. And now what is the diagonal? It is root 3 times a. So the diagonal, the required answer is root 3 into 10. So what is root 3? It is 1.732 into 10. So diagonal is 17.32 centimeter. So questions related to this LSA and TSA if it is asked. So accordingly we can equate the formula to the value and find whatever is asked. So here the total surface area is given as 600, equating to 6a square, value of a is got, and then the diagonal. So now we'll see what is the formula to find LSA for a cuboid and TSA for a cuboid. So formula to find the lateral surface area, leaving the top and the bottom. So it is 2h into L plus B square units. And total surface area including all the sides, the lateral surface areas and the top and the bottom. The formula is 2 into LB plus BH plus LH square units. So we have discussed the formulas for cube and cuboid for lateral surface area and total surface area. Now we will see what is the curved surface area and total surface area for a cylinder, cone and spheres. So as the surface is curved, so we, instead of lateral surface area, we say it as curved surface area or a CSA. So for a cylinder, so what is curved surface area? It is 2 pi RH. So the base circumference into height will give you the curved surface area of a cylinder. So base circumference, circle circumference 2 pi r into h will give you curved surface area, and units is square units. And what is total surface area? It is including both the top and the bottom. So with this, pi r square twice is added, and simplifying we get total surface area is 2 pi r into h plus r square units. So for a cylinder, curved surface area is 2 pi r h and total surface area is 2 pi r into h plus r. Now we will see for a cone. So a cone is a one which has circle as its base, and here r is the base radius and h is the vertical height and L here is the slant height. So in some questions, so if slant height is given, so we need to find the height to find the volume, and how to relate this slant height and the radius. So here we have a right angle triangle and this is the hypotenuse. Slant height is the hypotenuse. So hypotenuse square is equal to h square plus r square. So the sides which contain 90 degrees squared and added, we get the hypotenuse. So relation between the slant height, the vertical height and the radius is L square equal to h square plus r square. Suppose if height is asked, this r is sent to the other side, L square minus r square is h square. And now to find the slant height, taking square root, so it is h square plus r square. So according to the need of the question, so we can use this relation and find, if 2 is given, we can find the other value. And now to find curved surface area for a cone. So what is the formula to find curved surface area for a cone? It is pi r L square units. And total surface area for a cone, with this pi r L, the base area pi r square is also added, and after simplifying, we get pi r into L plus r square units. So for a cone, CSA, that is curved surface area, is pi r L and total surface area is pi r into L plus r. And for a sphere, so what is the curved surface area and the total surface area? So for a sphere, both are same because the sphere doesn't have the base. So for a cone, we have the bottom. Excluding the bottom, it is curved surface area. Including it is total surface area. But for a sphere, as there is no bottom, so it is just, we say, surface area. For a sphere, surface area is 4 pi r square units. So for a sphere, surface area is 4 pi r square. Now if it is a hemisphere, so what will be the curved surface area? For a hemisphere, we have curved surface area and total surface area. So a hemisphere is the one half of a sphere where the base is a circle. So for a hemisphere, so half of this curved surface area will be the surface area of the hemisphere, CSA. It is 2 pi r square units. So for a hemisphere, curved surface area is 2 pi r square. Now what is total surface area for a hemisphere? With the curved surface area, the base area is also added. So curved surface area is 2 pi r square. And what is the base area? Pi r square. So when we add, total surface area for a hemisphere is 3 pi r square units. So here we have discussed about volume, the three-dimensional one, and curved surface area for a curved surfaces, lateral surface area for a cube and cuboid, and total surface area for a cone, cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone, sphere and hemisphere we have discussed. And now we'll see how to work out the questions with some few examples.